In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell subscription boxes and recurring products on Wix Ecommerce. If you're looking to establish a steady income stream through your e-commerce site, selling subscriptions is a great way to start. We'll walk through setting up your site from scratch, customizing it to fit your brand, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. First, head over to Wix.com and click on Get Started. Here you'll need to create an account. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook, whatever suits you best. Once you've signed up, you'll have two options. Either let Wix ADI, their artificial design intelligence, quickly build your site based on your input, or start from a blank template for more creative freedom. If you prefer a speedier setup, Wix ADI is your friend. But if you want to customize every detail, go with the Wix editor. With your site set up, click on Edit Site to start building your unique e-commerce experience. Within the Wix editor, you'll want to incorporate apps to extend the capabilities of your site. Begin with the Wix Members area by searching for it in the Add Apps section. By clicking Add to Site, you'll automatically create a Members area complete with login and sign-up pages alongside a member profile page. Be sure to customize your sign-up form to capture essential member information, such as their name, email, and specific preferences. Now, to support your subscription service, navigate to the Wix dashboard and look for Customer Management, then choose Pricing Plans. Click on Create New Plan, where you'll set up various options for your subscriptions. Name your plans, perhaps something like Basic or Premium, and decide on the price point, whether monthly or yearly. Clearly define the benefits each plan offers, such as access to exclusive pages, downloads, or videos. Remember, offering a free trial can often tip potential new customers in favor of trying your service. After setting up your plans, make sure to save everything. Next, let's add your subscription products to the store. For each subscription box, create a detailed product page in the Wix editor. Integrate the pricing plan widget into these pages and tweak your call to action buttons to be effective and inviting, possibly using subscribe now or get your box. Strong, clear product descriptions and high quality images or visuals are key here, as they play a significant role in building trust and boosting conversions. With your products perfectly displayed, head over to the settings to set up payment methods. Navigate to Settings and then Accept Payments to link platforms such as Wix Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. It's crucial to ensure that recurring billing is enabled for subscription plans. Don't hesitate to run tests, perhaps a small test transaction, to confirm everything's in working order. Finally, customize the overall membership experience on your site. Send personalized emails like welcome messages or renewal reminders to Wix automations. Create a comprehensive member dashboard where users can manage their subscriptions. Organize exclusive content, whether videos or downloads, and a neatly arranged library for member access only. Before going live, review your site and then sign up flow to iron out any kinks. Once satisfied, publish your website and monitor its performance using Wix Analytics, focusing on metrics like member signups, payment conversions, and page engagement. Member feedback is invaluable, especially in early stages, refining and enhancing your offerings. And there you have it, your guide to selling subscription boxes and recurring products on Wix Ecommerce.